Good people, I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the videos, all the content and all that good stuff. So we've got a Puma box, green and white, nothing special. What matters is the label, and so this pair is the Future Rider Play On. The colorway is Puma Black Dark Shadow, UK 10.5, Euro 45, US 11.5, centimeters 29.5, and they're made in Vietnam. I don't know why there's like a string there, but yeah. So we've got the Puma Future Rider. As you can tell, it's a very like casual pair, not mental colors or anything like that going on, but I'll just run through the colors anyway. So the Future Rider sole is always like this. It's quite different to other Pumas. It's like round circles on the bottom. It does have some information there which says matched mit Qualität since 1948, forever faster. So that's just some information about the sole. And then it says Rider foam, so that could be talking about this foam that it has there. And it just says Puma, no actual animal. The midsole, this foam type midsole, is all white, and we've got like a plastic bit on the back. We've got a grey suede heel, and then we've got another plastic bit on the back. The Puma swoosh, as I like to call it, is in a white leather, and then we've got a little tab here behind that. I always forget this, it's like a nylon material behind that. Nylon toe box, suede all around the toe box, and then the nylon continues, and then it's the same on this side, and it's got that little tab for some reason. Then we've got leather around the laces, so on the lace loops, or whatever you want to call it, lace stay. We've got standard Puma laces. This is kind of an odd color because it's like a peach-ish type color. I don't know what to call it. And then we've got a leather Puma tab on the tongue. We've got that exposed foam, which I'll be honest, I don't really like at all. Whoops, first time I've done that. I don't really like that exposed foam business there. And then we've got a insole that just says Puma, Puma, Puma. It is that soft foam material. But yeah, it's a very casual pair. Puma Future Riders, you don't usually see a lot of people wearing these, but this is a nice, you know, grey, black, white, grown up type of colorway. I really like the shoe, but I don't have anything more to say about it, to be honest, apart from make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about all the content. Let me know what you think about all the videos. Give it a thumbs up, please. And yeah, wait a few seconds, you'll see the on foot. I'll also post it separately as always. Take care, my people.